you're gonna mix your dry ingredients into a bowl separately. So I've got 2 cups of whole wheat flour that I just put into here, 1 cup of rolled oats, 3 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of milled chia seeds, and I'm also going to be adding some dried cranberries into the mix. So we'll put those. And you just want to make sure that they're broken up and they're not all in one big clump together. And then just give that a mix, making sure everything's well combined. So I'm just gonna set this aside while I get the wet mix ready. So in a different bowl, you are going to mix together pumpkin puree, I almost forgot to add, the most important part of the whole mix is the pumpkin pie spice and the cinnamon. There you go. And mix it. Back to the wet mix. Next, I have 1 cup of coconut sugar. So I'm gonna put that in. Give it a mix. Now I'm adding 1/4 cup of olive oil. Mix as you go, you know. And lastly, I am adding 1 flax egg. So it is 1 tablespoon of flax mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. And this is gonna bind the whole pumpkin loaf together. Now that we have that all done, I am going to preheat the oven to 375. Now that I have both of my dry and wet mixes ready to go, I'm going to mix them together. And there's the oven. I'm just adding the wet into the dry, like so. And you're just going to mix until combined. This is what your mix should look like once it's completely mixed. And I'm just gonna transfer it into my baking dish. Now that I have this into the baking dish, I'm going to top it with pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and rolled oats. So you're just gonna sprinkle them on the top. Make sure they're evenly distributed. Make sure they're evenly distributed and look like this. Now that I have it in the baking dish, this is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna pop it in the oven. Sneaky tip for you, I'm putting this tray underneath the loaf to catch any excess seeds that fall off when it rises. All right, in it goes. I'm going to let it bake for, so I'm just gonna set my timer here, 1 hour. And we'll check it once it beeps. I'm baking a pumpkin loaf.
Oh, good.
Yep.
I love pumpkin loaves. I love all things pumpkin. Snooping through some like stuff that vegans are doing, and like that one guy there, he did like the vegan Thanksgiving dinner. What you can take to...
Time to check the pumpkin loaf. Woo!
Do you feel the buzz?
Now with my handy dandy oven mitts, I'm going to take the pumpkin loaf out of the oven and poke it with a toothpick to see if it's done.
Do you feel the buzz? Oh yeah,
I've let the pumpkin loaf cool down for a little bit here, so I'm gonna cut into it and let's see how it turned out. I would say this looks really good. It seems really great. It seems like it has a really nice dense texture, which I like. So I'm gonna give it a try. I would say that is a success. Well guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my second video in my fall baking series. There is 3 more videos to come, so stay tuned for those. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.